Bay Window sets foot in Bangalore with first store opening. Bay Window, the lifestyle and design-forward brand celebrated for its unique creations, has officially entered the Bangalore market with the launch of its maiden store in the city. Nestled in the bustling Horamur Banaswadi neighborhood, the store reflects the brand's ethos of blending contemporary design with everyday living. The new space brings together Bay Window's hallmark collections, from finely crafted home furnishings to chic lifestyle accents and tailored design solutions. The store is envisioned as more than a shopping destination. It aims to inspire and elevate modern living with products that balance style, quality, and innovation. Marking an important milestone in its expansion journey, Bay Window's entry into Bangalore signals its broader ambition to strengthen its footprint in South India and connect with design-conscious consumers in one of India's most dynamic urban hubs.
So I'm Sadik. So I'm a part of Sona Group of Firms. So we partner with Bay Window for bringing global designs to Bangalore. As you know, Bangalore is evolving. New trends are coming in. So we feel that there's a gap in the market, which says that there is no segment which is catering to design first customers. So we are catering to that, and we want to bring Bay Window to Bangalore for that.
Okay, do you have any window shopping or you have any online shopping service?
So we have partnered with them where so anything in Bangalore delivery will come through us. So that is what will happen. Right.
So we just explained, no, we have a website also. So if somebody orders online, it will come here and then the team here delivers it.
Okay, thank you, sir.
A week or so, we deliver the furniture and install it free of cost, as long as it's in the Bangalore area.
You have been brought any global designers to so you can speak about it.
Sure. Shivani is the right person.
So, you know,
One second. Tell me.
so like Siddhant said, ready?
Okay.
So like Siddhant said, we've been in the furniture industry for the last 30 years. We've always worked with very high-end design, working with a lot of international brands, importing furniture. Now what we've done with Bay Window is to make design more accessible. We've tied up with designers from across the world. We have some close friends and designers who develop some excellent designs from Sweden, Germany, France. And what we do is we tailor them to the Indian lifestyle aesthetic, right? Because the way we lead our lives, our furniture should fit within that. So we've tied up with these designers who make designs exclusively for Bay Window, and we get them developed.
So what is your growth plans?
Our growth plans, yes, Siddhant will take that.
So as of today, we have 4 showrooms spread across 2 lakh square feet in Hyderabad. This is our first experience center in Bangalore. In a couple of months, we will also be launching a flagship in Bangalore, and subsequently we are launching our brand in Vijayawada and Chennai.
Do you have any local designers tied up in Bangalore?
So we work with a lot of designers in Bangalore and across the country, because we've been doing furniture for so long. So the way we work with them is we have furniture partners. So we understand what is the requirement for the project, and basis that we consult and work alongside with them to fulfill all their furniture needs. So we work with a lot of local designers and architects.
So now we can speak about the Bangalore store.
Sir, come.
Yes.